So we have the structure ready, right? And we need to make it edible safe. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you that. So the first important thing we need for that is an aluminum foil tape. Okay, so it looks like this. It's easily available these days, and we could just tear it like a paper, and that's foil on one side, and there is a sticker tape on the other side. So we just kind of peel that sticker, and then the foil will just start sticking on the structure. So it's like this. Now I'll just get the structure and then start sealing up all the hardware parts. Okay, so just go on the top. I just want to cover up the board as well because there is a bit of washer there. And once I have this tape stuck again, the tape is not like completely edible safe. It's just protecting us from the hardware parts to come in contact with the cake. Okay, but then to make it safe enough that the cake could come and sit on top of this, we will have to brush white chocolate. I prefer white chocolate because it just kind of gives like it is all white in color, so it's neat when you're going to start working with the cake. You could do that with dark chocolate as well. So now I'm just going to continue sticking this foil paper all throughout. I'm just going to cover up the board as well, and then I'll get back once I've done that and together with the white chocolate, and I'll show you how I'm just going to brush this entire thing and then make it edible safe. So now I have done with the aluminium foil tape all through everywhere and even at the bottom. So like there is no way that the wooden stuffs or the rod or the metal, the washer, everything is just completely sealed with a foil tape. And the next I have here is melted white chocolate, like it's compound. Okay, so because I don't want to do tempering at this moment for this particular task, and so I just want the chocolate to kind of set right after I've just brushed upon it. I'm just going to start from the top. It's not going to leave anywhere, so there's like no doubt we have left it like with cake coming in contact with the non-edible stuffs. Obviously the tape is fine, but these are industrial tapes, but just in case, to be safe. Just a thin layer, so it like kind of looks neat as well, and so like we feel good when we're going to start working with a cake on top of a structure. I'm going to turn it around. Okay, so the chocolate coating is done. Just going to allow the chocolate to set, say for about 10-15 minutes. It should be fine. And once that is done, so we have just made the structure, and it's also edible safe right now. So we could just move on to the next lesson, where I'll be showing you how to use the marshmallows and the Rice Krispies to start building the stem for the mushrooms. See you in that lesson.